Hi, Ralph here once again. Brief example of utilizing Amazon's BOTO3 Translate, which relies, you notice, heavily on key value pairs or dictionaries. I had to break it down to a couple of languages here, Russian and traditional Chinese. I just go like, hi, how are you? If you notice right here, it breaks it down fairly readily and also gives you the sentiment analysis, just the way I wrote the code or a couple of options with Amazon BOTO3. Let's try something negative. Ready? That appears negative. Slang-wise, yep, picks it up negative. Let's try something positive. Happy. All right, there it is. See, it picks it up as positive. Now let's close that out, say bye. All right, now what we want to do as far as that is just check the languages and see the text is okay. Yep, language scores, traditional Chinese, Russian, perfect. BOTO3 Translate, cool little program from Amazon. Catch you guys all later on. Ralph off. Bye.